Hey guys, this video is going to be on starting your Etsy shop. Now this isn't going to go into the details of how you start and open an Etsy shop. I have gotten some requests on doing that and I am going to do a video on that, but this is just going to be a story about a college student who actually just started. A lot of people that are in my Facebook group, they're in there and they're like, well, I haven't really, opened my shop yet. And I'm telling you, all you have to do is just start. And I want to thank Polished Pretty Prints for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. Now, she is a college student, and I'm telling you, anyone can do this. It doesn't matter at what level. If you're wanting to do this just to make some extra money and do instant downloads and make, printables. If that's what you're wanting to do and you're in college and you don't want to do it full time, that is up to you. But I have people who are just like Elizabeth, who is a college student that is doing this to make some extra money. And then I also have people in my Facebook group who are making a 6-figure income doing it. So it doesn't matter. You just have to start. So getting started with your Etsy shop. And I want to read what she wrote when she filled out the form. She said, "You are the reason I have an Etsy shop. You taught me everything I know with graphic design and printmaking." Thank you, Elizabeth, for that. And I can see that people are paying attention because I've talked a lot about cover photos. Your cover photo should show exactly what your shop is all about. And she's done this beautifully. She's got 3 different pictures right here, and she has something in the middle, and she says mindful modern prints. So she really likes the modern prints. So let's kind of look into her shop, and I'm also going to leave a link to this in the description below. She's got a lot of things on sale right now. Please check her shop out. She's a college student, and I'm a sucker for college students and also the kids, so please. Okay, so she has done a fabulous job so far on her cover photo. And also she just opened this Etsy shop. Now it says here that it's been open since 2018, but she didn't technically get started doing this until just a few weeks ago. So she has already made 10 sales. So keep going, Elizabeth, I'm telling you. Okay, so I have taught about the cover photo and how important that is, and I've also talked about pictures and how important they are. So I'm just going to go into one of her listings right here. And this is in a beautiful frame mock-up photo. Choose courage over comfort. And I absolutely love that quote. So that is, I just love this. And then she's doing really good here with her using up the spaces that Etsy allows you for a title. And then she talks a lot about exactly what you're going to get, okay? So let me go into one of her other listings. I'm going to go down to some of her sell items too, and let me go into her t-shirt first. So she's got this t-shirt. I'm going to kind of blow this up a little bit so everybody can see it. And the t-shirt says, "The only meaningful thing we can offer one another is love, not advice, not questions. Without our choices, not suggestions for the future, just love." So I love how she put a quote on this shirt. And she's offering this shirt for $16.50. And let's see here, what type? She said here, "You've now found the staple t-shirt of your wardrobe. It's made of thicker, heavier cotton, but it's still soft and comfy. and the double stitching on the neckline and sleeves are more durable to what is sure to be a favorite. And she's very kind to work with, so let's help her. She is in college. Okay, so she's got a lot of things on sale, and right down here she's got some of these for like $2.40. And let me go into one of them. I love that she's got all these motivational quotes, and I also like that she is using almost the same mock-up photo. I actually read that once somewhere, that you should have everything like in some sort of a theme. So she has this beautiful watercolor, we can do hard things, and that is so true. So you can get this for $2.40 right now, and I will leave a link to her shop below. So she just got started, and I believe she has, let's see, 25 items in her shop right now, and she is just getting started. So the point of this video is that you just need to start. Don't be afraid, just get started. You know, open up your Etsy shop, and I am going to do that video. It's been requested in my Facebook group a few times on how to actually open an Etsy shop, so I will do a video on that very soon. So that has been a requested video. So if you do get a chance, you know, please hop over to Polished Pretty Prints. I'm going to leave a link to her shop in the description below. And also remember, you know, that you just have to have the confidence. It's just like right here, choose courage over comfort. I think a lot of times we get stuck in our comfort zones and we're afraid to start something. We're afraid of failing. But failing is actually how we learn and how we grow. So, you know, that's what this video is about. You know, the people who are thinking about starting their Etsy shop, but they haven't done it yet. And I'm so proud of her. And I remember when she posted in the Facebook group that she made her first sale. She was so excited. She sent me a message. She posted it in the group. By the way, if you are not a member of my Facebook group, you can find it. It is Etsy Passive Income. And all you have to do is answer the 3 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Also, if you are new to my channel and you want to learn about how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Also, if you are interested in, you know, me being a sponsor of one of my videos and me featuring your Etsy shop in one of my videos, all you have to do is fill out the form. I will leave a link to that in the description below as well. So hop on over to Polished Pretty Prints. I will leave a link in the description. Check her shop out. She's got some great deals going on right now, especially the items that she has marked down. And her shop looks great. So keep going, Elizabeth. I am so proud of you. Your shop looks great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.